Have you ever had a janky wheel on your luggage that made it hard to move this thing around? Probably thought you had to get rid of it or replace the whole thing, but they make replacement wheels for this, and I'm going to show you how to change it. That's pretty difficult. All right, I had to resort to a power tool. Hopefully that'll get this thing off quicker. Yep, that was much quicker. It must have been mostly through it. Haha. Now, how do I get the axle out of here? Okay. So, and there's the axle I cut through. And the other wheel's over there. So, here's the new wheel. All right, according to the directions, I do have to cut this off. This was part of the other wheel, and on this side I did already cut it off. So let's cut this one. All right. So now we got those cut off. Okay, it helps to read the directions. The first thing is the collar, and then the washer, and then it goes in, and then on the other side, same thing, the washer, then the collar, then the wheel, and then the screw on the other end. And now we tighten up the Allen bolt on this end and just make sure that it actually rolls, because that was the problem the other time. How I knew it was wrong is it wasn't rolling. Okay, that's better. So now we just tighten these up, just the one. So I'm just tightening it. I'm not sure how tight it's supposed to go. And they're rolling just fine here, so just tighten it so it doesn't break. So there you go. So now they're on, they do roll. Final touch is putting on the new covers. Like that. And the other cover here. And now we've got it fixed. So a little bit to figure out, but it's very simple once you know what you're doing. It's the first time I've ever done it, but now I've got a nice set of luggage again, and it'll roll perfectly in the airport.